Origami is the Japanese art of paper folding. Now, I know that there are a lot of step-by-step instructions and tutorials out there, but let's try and look at origami through a tinkerer's lens. A lot of origami designs exist from the same basic folds. For example, all of these designs here stem from the classic waterbomb base. So, if we can learn how to do this waterbomb base, we can try and tinker further with what other sorts of designs we can create from that point. Let's give that a try.
The only thing I need to tinker with origami is a square piece of paper. Let's walk through the waterbomb base. First, I'm going to fold the diagonals. Next, I'm going to do a vertical fold in half. Before I do a horizontal fold in half, I'm going to flip my paper first. All right, let's flip back. Now that fold that I just did along the center here horizontally, I want to pinch in the sides, bring them together, and I'm going to flatten the flaps here from the diagonal folds. And there we have our waterbomb base. Now this starts off a lot of different origami designs, so you can try and tinker with this further, see what you can come up with, or maybe you want to try and recreate an angelfish or a crab or a goldfish. All of these started with that waterbomb base.
So now it's time to test out your skills. So what did you observe from doing that waterbomb base? And how can those folds help inform your next choices? It may take you more than one try to get to your final design, and that's more than okay. The joy of tinkering is that those failures inform our next steps, we learn from them, and we form a new question to investigate further. Now, here are some questions you can focus on as you work towards your final design. What happens if you change one fold? Does the paper shape, size, or color affect your final design? And if you do choose to go look up a step-by-step instruction guide online, how can you use what you learned in that figure and apply it to different designs? Or even how can you take that figure and change it further? We would love for you to share your work and your process with us. So if you do take a picture or a video, share it on social media and tag us with the hashtag #GirlsAndSteam. Happy tinkering!